In this video, we're going to show you the basic functionality behind the MobileMoxie SERPerator. If you log in, you're going to see a screen exactly like this, and you're going to land right on the SERPerator, so you don't need to do much, but you need to know that there's 3 buttons at the top here: live testing, dashboard, and save reports, and these also correlate to the sidebar over here if you want to navigate there quickly. We'll close that for now. But basically, there's 2 major functionalities behind the SERPerator. There's live testing, where you can enter all your locational information like I'm doing here. Then we'll enter a keyword and you can run it for 2 devices at a time, and you'll get a live SERP with our visibility scale. That gives you an idea of how often an individual would get to a certain level of that SERP. So 100% at the top because that's above the fold, and then everything else, it will gradually go down. But with these, you can click through the SERP, you can click through the map pack, you can go back. If there is a carousel, you can slide that over and see what it looks like there. So these are all fully functionable on your live testing. There's a couple things else you can do. You can use these back, forward, refresh buttons. You can save this test over time, which will translate to the dashboard, or you can share this particular SERP on social media. The other major functionality here is saving these SERPs over time. So we will auto-populate your account with your business name and Googleplex's address automatically. So with the free trial account, you're going to get 20 keywords and 10 addresses, and this test is actually already run for us. So this is a safe test. The SERP here is not functionable, so you won't be able to click through it, but you will be able to see it and go back to it over time and see what that looks like. For all of our tests currently, you can see that there are 13 pins in total. There's our centroid address, which we entered, which was Googleplex's address, and then another 12 pins around that correlate so that SEOs can look at their local intent and the variability behind the changes in the SERP from one address to another in a centralized area. With that, you can see that we've already added these keywords, but if you wanted to add another, you could go in here and add a keyword like coffee shops, like you saw in live testing. We can choose the language. We have plenty of languages to choose from. With the solo account, you can do weekly or monthly frequency, so that'll save your test right away once you add the keyword, and then you'll be able to save it every week or every month on that whatever particular day you'd like. And then lastly, you want to correlate your keyword to a number of addresses that you've added to your account. Right now, we've only added the Googleplex address, so that's the only address that we're going to run for as of now. So we'll submit there, and now you can see that our keyword has shown up, and that's going to start running and saving over time. You can add your addresses as well in the same way, where you can add a single address here with all the locational information. You can add a sample address with a bunch of sample addresses provided by us. Right now we only have United States addresses, but we're looking to move that internationally very soon. And then lastly, you can upload a CSV of addresses. So you can upload it with an address, city, state, zip code, country, or you can just enter latitude and longitude, or you can just enter a plus code. You can download this sample CSV file, which will help you in the formatting of those addresses, because we're very specific about our formatting. And lastly, this address nickname that you see, if you were to say wanting to run a bunch of different addresses for a franchise, such as Starbucks, you could see that we're pinpointing our address nickname as Starbucks Santa Clarita Carl, or Starbucks Walnut Creek downtown. This will just give us a quick insight on what exactly this address means. As you can see with our example here, Googleplex is this address. That is the basic functionality of the SERPerator, and we hope you enjoy.
If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. To be notified about future videos, click the logo. And to try the MobileMoxie Mobile SEO Toolset, use the promo code YouTube to get 30 days free. They're mobile-first SEO tools for a mobile-first world.